So my check engine light's been on, and one of the codes I've been having on this E46 is an oil temperature sender. So I went out and I bought one since they're very cheap. It's like less than 15 bucks for this Delphi branded one. You can get the BMW branded one, I think, for between 30 and 40. And so let's change that out. So this is pretty quick and easy job. You just have to remove some parts here with the air box, a couple 12mm bolts, and band clamps back here, and then this will pop out, and then we'll have access and we can see the oil temperature sender is located right under here-ish. Well, after you get the air box out and you can find the oil temperature sender, hopefully yours looks like this, because if it looks like this, then you found the problem. The stupid cable's not connected. I don't know, I can't even remember the last time I was in here. Obviously the car runs fine without the oil temperature sender connected. I have had some people looking at the tires lately. They shouldn't have been in the engine bay, but needless to say, I'm just going to plug this back in and clear the codes and be done with it. Oh, before I do that, if you are going to replace it, it's a 22mm deep socket. So you just get a 22mm fitted on there, and you can pop that off pretty quick and change it out. Some oil will leak out of that from what I've heard. So just watch that and try to be quick about it. Taking it out and put it back in. I would probably take it out, try to rub off any excess dirt that you might see around the entrance, and then do a quick swap of the actual sensor. So I'm gonna put this connection back on. And it's not going on. Oh, that's because I was putting it in backwards, so the push pin goes towards the front. That little metal pin right there goes towards the front of the vehicle, and then it slides right on and it'll connect, and if you try to pull it off gently, it won't come off because it's snapped in there. Okay, along with the code for the engine oil temperature sensor, another problem I've been having, just to let you all know that certain systems coincide, or issues with systems can lead you down different paths. So the air conditioning system wasn't working in this car, and so it's obviously tied into the oil temperature sensor. So, which makes sense. It has to know how hot the engine is, has to know different temperatures in order to turn the system on and off, all that jazz, whatever. But the air conditioning wasn't working. Plugged in the oil temp selector or sensor, and now it's working. I cleared out the codes, and codes aren't coming back yet. I've only tried to start it 2 times, so who knows, some of the codes might come back. But that's a free fix for 1, my air conditioner, and 2, the oil temperature sender code being thrown. So that was pretty easy.